All right, hello everybody. How do you do? I'm glad you're here today, and welcome back to another episode of Mr. B Makes with Julia. Today we are making something that absolutely terrifies me, but also makes me excited. We are going to try and recreate frosted sugar cookies from the store. So we bought these so we could do a taste test at the end to see which one tastes better, if it is our homemade ones or these. This is Mr. B's first time actually using a lot of things, so this took me 5 minutes to put together. I'm not even gonna lie, but you know what? We're here and we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be great. There's probably not gonna be a whole lot of talking in this video. I will give the ingredients really quick. Let's see. You need granulated sugar, butter, eggs, sour cream, secret ingredient, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt for the cookies. And then for the frosting, it's a lot of butter. Good. 12 tablespoons of butter. You need powdered sugar, vanilla extract, milk or cream, food coloring, and sprinkles. So this should be fun. And I'm probably gonna make one heck of a mess, and my mom is probably gonna beat me with a broom afterwards, but this is gonna be great. Nice.
All right, and then put your sugar there.
Just for the record, Mr. B does not know how to cook. Julia is the only reason you guys are getting cooking on Mondays. So put hashtag thank you Julia in the comments. All right, and then.
Okay, so now we're going to, you're gonna, yep.
Do that.
You're gonna put that down. Okay.
Is it okay if I put the butter on the thingy?
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's all good, it's all mixed together.
And then put it on a 1, you said, or a 2?
Yeah, so yeah, put it on 2. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay, you know what? Do I turn the bowl? Is there an easier way to do this? Or do I... Gradually now?
Yeah, it's good. Yep. All right, so let's let that mix here just real quick. We'll let that mix in real quick because you'll have to get it around the side before you add that.
Body.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Mr. B made dough. Now how do I get off the stick? Oh. Okay, so what do I do now?
All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to put it in a plastic bowl, and we're going to cover it, and we are going to put it in the refrigerator and set for an hour before we form it into the cookies.
It's nice and firm, right?
And yeah, and you scraped around your sides and the flour and everything's mixed up well. You don't see any. Perfect. Good? Okay.
Looks good.
The best sugar cookies ever.
Apparently they already taste good.
Yep.
Mr. B doesn't like raw cookie dough, so
I can attest to it, guys.
Julia knows. Julia is also a certified chef, by the way, just saying. She should have her own store.
Wish I was.
Like how I have merch, she has cooking. Alright, now that Mr. B's nose looks like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because he's been sneezing all day, now we make icing. Stir this, I'll be back.
Alright, let's see how much it is.
That's literally nothing but sugar. Oh my gosh.
Where there, James? How big of Not that big.
So like wet.
The last cookie sheet to be filled. Gosh. You're an aggressive baker.
That's my Food Network show, Aggressive Baker. I'm literally gonna throw. I'm gonna throw some cookie dough. I'm gonna throw some cookie dough. Hashtag Mr. B Rap 2021.
Yeah, what we might
Because
do-
it'll probably be kind of sticky on the cup.
Yeah, let me get
Guys, we made cookies. Are you as shocked as I am? Because I'm pretty shocked. And for those of you that are wondering, if you've heard me sniffling, pollen count is very high today where Mr. B lives, and we are currently out there. You can see Mama B. Yesterday was Mother's Day. Hashtag thank you Mama B in the comments. But we are opening our pool, so we had to take our cover off, which was covered in pollen. So now the other ones.
Yes. I'm going to put these in the oven though.
Go for it.
They have to wait for 9 minutes.
Yoshi, welcome to Mr. B Makes. Yoshi, you are very popular on the channel, bud. All the kiddos really like Yoshi. All the kiddos really like Yoshi. They all think Yoshi's great. But anyway, we'll be back after we are done patting and after the cookies come out, and we will introduce you guys to the frosting. Okay, so as you just saw, we finished the cookies. Now, these are still kind of warm. That's why the icing does not look correct, but the other ones we're gonna let sit and get nice and cool and all that, because we still have a whole bowl of icing. And it's Mr. B's favorite color, it's purple. All right, so should we try, here, we need water so we can cleanse our palate. This is the taste test portion to really taste test and see how different they taste. If they do, or which one's better. All right, so water, then which one should we try first?
That's up to you.
Let's do store-bought first.
Okay, and then we'll do ours.
I'm gonna get a little swishy. Now these are delicious. We both love these, even though everybody hates them, but.
Oh,
Good.
no.
Those are good. Those are just so good.
The best sugar cookies ever.
I'm trying to drink this without a lid, with a lid on it. All right, now here we go.
The homemade
Now,
ones.
see, these are the homemade ones. They actually really don't look bad. All right, they look good. All right, here we go. Ready?
Not bad. Pretty good.
No. These are here. I had a wise man tell me that I was always eating pizza wrong. If you flip it upside down and put the icing on your tongue first.
Oh, smart. Smart. Good.
Totally different taste.
It actually tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
You know what's
actually kind of
weird?
impressed.
You know what's weird?
What?
I think once the icing is actually hard on the top.
Yeah, they'll be.
But this actually kind of tastes like a sweet biscuit. Like it tastes like a breakfast biscuit.
It's
but
got like
it's
a cake
It's
texture
super
to it.
sweet. Yeah, it's like cake. We
It's got
literally
cake
make
texture,
cake
yeah.
cookies with icing. So that is not her bowl. Just bombarding our video here. But yeah, no, these are good. Like I could sit here and probably eat a good bit of these. But I'm very excited. I will show you guys a picture or a video of what the music note ones look like when they are all finished. So thank you to whoever left a comment. I think it was Zoe. I said she wanted to see me bake something that was in the shape of a music note. Obviously the one is double eighth notes, and then the other one I tried to do a treble clef, but ran out of dough, so it kind of looks like an and sign on the keyboard, but you know, it's whatever. But anyway, that is all for Mr. B Makes. Next week, I promise we won't do sweets. We have an idea of what we're gonna make, and Mr. B is super excited.
Mr. B's favorite thing.
It's like my favorite food ever. It's like, it's my comfort food, and it's not sweet. It's the exact opposite of sweet, so I want you guys to think. And it's not salty. A little bit, but not salty. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't think this one ended up being too long. It's probably a little bit less than 10 minutes, but thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys try these. We have plenty of social medias. We have our new merch store on Teespring. We have our Instagram page, which you'll probably see the link to that somewhere here on the page. We have our Twitter, and starting next week, Musical Mr. B is moving to TikTok because we're getting on the viral trends, y'all. Thanks to this one. This one is addicted to TikTok.
Yep.
Addicted to TikTok. So Mr. B is going to be making some TikToks. If you guys would like to follow, it's the same handle as it is here on YouTube. It's Musical Mr. B. If you'd like to join on TikTok, those are just going to be short little videos. So if that's more your speed, go hit us up on TikTok. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'm about to go get really fat off some cookies.
Bye, guys.
As always, Mr. B is